Hello, Mzansi at the memorial service of Presely Chweneyagae held on the 3rd of June 2025 at the Matseke Convention Center in Mahikeng, Israel Matseke Zulu delivered a heartfelt tribute to his late friend and fellow actor. He began his tribute with a song setting the tone for his speech. In his speech, Israel Matseke Zulu emphasized that Presely's humble beginnings did not hinder his rise to prominence. He stated that he proved where you come from does not determine your destination. You can come from the West and become the greatest, highlighting the challenges within the South African entertainment industry. To be in Hollywood is not to be in heaven. Yes, we won the Oscar, but it does not make you a millionaire. Unfortunately, our country is not like America. He called for greater recognition of local talent during their lifetimes, urging that let's recognize each other while we are still alive. Let's change the rules. Let's change the game. For those who are interested in viewing the full tribute, you can just catch up on this video that I posted yesterday, and I'll also drop a link in the comment section and also in the description box below. At the end of the video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. I'd appreciate it so much. And thank you for those who are watching my videos, those who continue to like, and those who continue to engage in the comment section. Bye-bye.
I think this is Kim Saka Presely. Them swa. Mansui. Busi. Senso. Senso. Swagalani. I'll show you we are not taken care of. We are not recognized until we die. Unfortunately, this is South Africa. It's not United States of America. We are Oscar award-winning actors. We brought an Oscar in the country. You gotta respect that. Me and this gentleman, we make Mandela to hold a golden horn, but that means nothing in the country. You can have, Presely had more than 10 awards. You can have more than 50 in the country. You are nobody. You can run out of work after being in Hollywood. That means nothing. You will never have a mention or a Ferrari because when you brought an Oscar in the country. The industry of South Africa circulates amongst the few people. It's not divisible. It doesn't reach us, it doesn't empower us. I would like to empower all the artists, all the filmmakers, all the superstars to open spaza shops. Do a bottle store, run a chisanyama. Do something better, aside of acting. We are loved because we are on TV, everybody can see us. We are loved because we are known that when we die poor. That's why we are loved. People don't love you if you live well. That's my quote. People love you when you live your life in the edge of your death, or if you are a hobo. You will be recognized until somebody kills you.
How will you remember Presely?
Presely. Presely was my friend, was my colleague, was my boy. I introduced him to another world aside of acting, while he never had a job. He was, after being arrested, he was on the media, he was found with a license from Pakistan or Egypt or somewhere else. I introduced him to Matseke Zulu, whom runs the Southern African Youth Movement, which I'm an ambassador. And then I said, we must make this boy an ambassador and give him a job. We made him an MC, 2000 and something along there. Then after that, we generated more works. If I had work, I invited Presely to get a piece of cake. If he had work, he'll share the work with me. That's how I will remember him. Lastly, I will remember him by being humble on set. He never used the advantage of, I'm from Hollywood, I'm an Oscar, I won't respect Israel if he's been given a task to become a director. He was like that. So him, Stum, Charlie, I worked with them. I was an associate producer in number 2, Josie Gold. We did the first one, did very well. We take somebody to United States, Donovan Marsh. Then we make another one. Go to social media, check our pictures. We had fun with him. I will remember him with fun, with his jokes, and the respect of art and being humble. That's how I will remember him.